Plant bugs can be a real nuisance in the garden. If you are having trouble getting rid of these pesky bugs, don't worry. There are plenty of natural remedies to help. This video will show you safe practices and homemade insecticidal solutions to eliminate plant bugs. Here are the 12 best natural ways to get rid of plant bugs. 1. Apply a solution of soap and water. If you have a lot of aphids in your garden, they will probably not be too hard to get rid of, and you can wash them off with water. The reason is that they are soft-bodied and will be easily damaged by soap. You can apply a solution of water and soap to your plants to get rid of them. Mix 2 parts of water and 1 part of dishwashing liquid and use it in a spray bottle. This solution is also helpful in getting rid of whiteflies and spider mites. 2. Use diatomaceous earth. Diatomaceous earth is a great home remedy for pest control. Use it to get rid of crawling, leaf-eating insects. When the powder gets inside the exoskeleton of the critters, it sucks the moisture out of them. Liberally sprinkle diatomaceous earth powder on and around your plants for an effective killing shield against many pest problems. You can also apply it to potting soil or vegetable garden soil before planting. Alternatively, make a homemade pesticide for plants by combining 5 tablespoons of diatomaceous earth with a gallon of water. Shake well and use it to spray your outdoor and indoor plants. This homemade liquid insecticide will kill insects when it dries out. Moreover, diatomaceous earth is safe for humans to handle, but must be reapplied after a rainstorm. 3. Vinegar. A mild vinegar solution can help control garden pests. To make a natural bug repellent for plants, combine 1 cup of vinegar and 1 teaspoon of liquid soap with 3 cups of water. Next, add it to a spray bottle and use it on houseplants and outdoor plants. This homemade bug spray kills or repels fruit flies, aphids, stink bugs, mosquitoes, caterpillars, and other plant pests. 4. Neem oil. Neem oil is a superb natural insect repellent for plants. Moreover, it is the #1 go-to pest control remedy for organic gardeners. It is highly effective as a repellent for squash bugs, cucumber beetles, Japanese beetles, aphids, and more. A basic neem oil insecticide recipe is to mix 4 teaspoons of neem oil with 2 teaspoons of liquid soap and a gallon of water. Shake well and spray the insecticidal solution on plants. You can also purchase the ready-to-use concentrate and apply it according to the instructions on the bottle. Now watch the insects run for cover as their hormones are thrown completely out of whack. 5. Beer container. To prevent snails and slugs from eating your plants, set out a little dish of beer to attract them. The slimy little guys like the stuff. The smell coming from the dish will lure them in and drown them. Afterward, scoop them out and dispose of them. 6. Introduce beneficial insects and nematodes. Beneficial insects are those insects that help in the natural process of disease prevention and pest control. They are helpful to your plants because they are better at controlling pests, while they also help in the reproductive cycle of your plants. For instance, ladybugs are beneficial to tomatoes because they eat aphids, helping keep your plants healthy and giving them an advantage in the fruit production process. Having insects like praying mantises, dragonflies, and certain types of wasps in your garden can be beneficial to your plants because they attack pests and regulate your garden's ecosystem. These insects also make your garden beautiful and healthy because this usually results in a clean environment. 7. Use vegetable oil. Vegetable oil is an effective treatment for soft-bodied insect pests, including aphids, mites, and thrips. They breathe through their bodies, rather than their mouths, so when they are coated in oil, it effectively smothers them. It can also interfere with pests' earlier life stages, smothering larvae in the same way, and, in some cases, preventing eggs from maturing and hatching. The standard ratio for a vegetable oil spray is 1 cup of oil to 1 gallon of water. Assuming you've tested the mixture on a few leaves and found no damage, go ahead and spray. Mist your plants thoroughly to cover the tops and bottoms of the leaves, As well as stems and branches, many pests hide on the undersides of leaves. Use enough to wet the plant thoroughly, but not to the point that it's dripping. The mixture works only when it's wet, so dusk is a good time to spray because the mixture won't dry up as quickly. Also, plants tolerate it better when it's not too hot. 8. Pull out weak, dead, or decaying plants. The dead plants can attract bugs. If left unattended, it will be challenging to get rid of them. Remove these plants as soon as possible to prevent the bugs from laying eggs in your plant or garden. You can use a shovel or a garden rake to remove the dead plants. It will help you keep your plants healthy and prevent bug attacks. This method also keeps your garden neat. 9. Practice companion planting. Companion planting is a type of behavior that is common in horticulture. It involves cultivating plants near each other to create an environment where pests have no place to shelter. This way, you can have your plants without any problems. You can grow different plants near each other to ensure that pests are not able to find a place to hide. It is best to plant edible plants such as tomatoes, peppers, and cucumbers with medicinal herbs like oregano, thyme, and rosemary to protect them from pests. It is vital because it will help the plant get better at defending itself against insects and other pests. In addition, this type of environment will help your plants develop better roots, making it possible for the plant to produce stronger roots that can stand up to pests and other threats. 10. Essential oils for pest control. You can also use essential oils to make a homemade spray to keep bugs off plants. Yes, some essential oils are effective at repelling certain garden pests. The basic application is 10 to 15 drops of oil to a cup of water. Place the solution in a spray bottle and apply it to the affected areas. However, be careful when using, as some oils can also repel insects that are useful to a garden. Tea tree oil, pine oil, chrysanthemum oil and peppermint oil are good choices. 11. Lavender. Among the home remedies for plant insects, lavender is very powerful. Flying insects such as flies, fungus gnats, and certain beetles seem to hate lavender oil. What's more, you can use it to relieve itching from bug bites. 12. Garlic. Garlic's strong smell will help keep moles, gophers, and voles away from your yard and garden. Place the cloves in their tunnels. However, be sure to replace them periodically. Alternatively, make a DIY bug spray for plants by blending 2 bulbs of garlic in a cup of water. Next, strain and mix the solution into a gallon of water along with 2 teaspoons of liquid soap. Shake well, and use this as a natural pesticide for your vegetable garden. Garlic spray also helps to keep fungal issues at bay. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to Natural Health Remedies, and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you are going to enjoy this next video on how to make a baking soda pesticide and fungicide spray. Thanks for watching and bye for now.